Add special characters in cell Google Sheets. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Wait until the Google Sheets homepage loads completely. After the page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that you want to edit. Once the file is open, observe the worksheet displayed on the screen so you understand where the data is located. At this point, notice that Google Sheets does not provide a direct option to insert special characters like some other applications do. Because of this limitation, you will need to use another Google tool to access special characters. Open a new tab in your web browser and go to Google Docs. When the document is ready, move your cursor to the top menu bar of the Google Docs interface. Click the Insert menu to open the drop-down list. From the list of available features, look for the Special Characters option. When you find it, click Special Characters to continue. Wait a moment until the Special Characters dialog box appears on your screen. In this window, you will see a large panel containing many special symbols that can be used in your document. Observe the panel and notice the different categories available in the selection menu. Click the Category drop-down menu to explore the available options. You can browse categories such as symbols or arrows depending on the type of character you need. After selecting a category that matches your needs, look through the list of available characters displayed in the panel. When you find the special character you want to use, click the symbol. You will then observe the symbol appearing in the blank Google Docs document. Next, highlight the symbol carefully using your cursor so that it is fully selected. After highlighting it, right-click on the symbol. From the context menu that appears, click the Copy option. This action will copy the symbol to your clipboard. Now return to your Google Sheets tab. Once you are back in the spreadsheet, click the cell where you want to place the special character. Right-click inside the selected cell and choose the Paste option. You will observe the symbol appearing directly inside the spreadsheet cell. If you want to add more special characters, simply repeat the same process.